Well, DIYers, you know, this is a shocker. I'm in the bathroom. I'm doing up a beautiful ensuite, which you've seen me working on, and I'm up to the waterproofing stage. I've stripped it all out. This is the bathroom in the same house. And, you know, like, far out. That's all I can say. Like, whoa. You know, bodgy Bob. God, the workmanship is absolute. you gotta be off your nut to tile like that, you know. Oh God, you know. It makes me shudder. Oh boy. Anyway, I don't know if they are going to be doing up this bathroom. I do not know, but oh boy, what a shocker. Obviously, like, this guy must have been blind or had no conscience or what, I don't know. The only way he got away with this is a bodgy Bob doing his own place. Okay, I'll see you soon. Ciao.